In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a single arm chest fly on a cable machine. Now, firstly, this might be for somebody that's got one side that's stronger than the other. They're looking to build up one singular side. Or alternatively, maybe you're in a gym, it's really busy, and someone's using one side, you want to do your chest flies. This is a fantastic alternate to try and get your chest flies done without having to wait for a machine if only one side is being used. So firstly, what you're looking for is the single handle attachment, and you'll notice at the top here there's a little hole that basically you're going to put that and pop it into the carabiner, and then you're ready to go. Make sure the weight is appropriate for you. So if you've never done this before, start off with the lightest possible weight, get your form, and then from there you can progress up. In terms of how to set it up, you might be thinking, where do I put this cable? There's lots of different variations for this. So some people like to do a low to high variation where it would be like so. Others like to do more of a medium variation. You can even get a high to low variation. So play about with the position, but in this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to do that medium position. So firstly, what you're going to do is you see here where I've got the cable, that's going to be in line with nipple line for me. I've got a staggered stance with my left leg forwards here because my right hand is in contact with this single handle attachment. If my left hand was in contact, it would be my right leg forwards. From here, I want my hands to be completely in line with the cable. So I don't want it too far back, I don't want it too far forwards. From here, I've stepped out far enough where I've got pretty much a full arm extension. I've just got a tiny bit of a bend in the elbow. I'm going to bring my chest up. One hand is going to go on my chest, and I'm going to bring the cable machine in towards the midline of my body. So I'm keeping that very slight bend in the elbow. I can feel my chest here with my left arm. I can feel that right pec contracting as I'm doing each repetition. Make sure not to rotate, so make sure you're keeping a nice neutral position. Your hips or your body's not rotating, you're looking forwards, and you should be feeling that contraction on your left hand or the hand that's on your pec. You can put the hand elsewhere, you can put it to your side if you want to. It's quite nice to feel that engagement of the muscle though when you're doing the exercise. Now, you'd of course repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions and do exactly the same on the other side. If you do have one side that's weaker, make sure you start off with that side because you don't want to start off with your stronger side. Let's say you're doing 15 repetitions and then you can only get to 10 on your weaker side. It's better to start off with that weaker side first, do the amount of repetitions you can, then match it on your stronger side. So that's how to do a single arm chest fly with a medium height. You can of course change the position to do a higher or lower height. The only difference would be you'd be coming down to low or alternatively low to high. Play about with it, see what you think, and that you would do for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.